guys, this is me, Dominic, and my sister, Sophia.
Hi, I'm just helping Dom film this video.
And she is going to do the slime, and we are going to do some slime hauls. All the slime we have.
Yeah, so I'm going to start off with this one, just like a purplish one.
Put it out. Super stretchy. Sophia, put it on the table. So it's really stretchy and nice. And we did it with these little helpers. Our helper sherbet. So we got these sherbet slimes. We didn't know how to make orange, so we just made purple slimes. And this is
the next purple slime.
We
have
a darker purple slime.
Yeah,
and
glitters.
Yeah, glitter. And the pink one might be sticky when we do the pink one in this little tiny jar. It might be a little sticky because we had a fail because we put it out in this light all day and we made it out kind of like a little paint.
Okay, so next one is this blue one.
This is my favorite one.
It used to be way bigger, but I just like deflated.
We try to make it as bubbly as you can. If it's not that bubbly, sorry for that. I have to move the camera a lot. It'll come down. It'll come down a little bit. If she puts it out, it'll just come down. We don't want to show our faces because we just woke up. So.
And Dom insisted on doing this video today. Okay, so next, those are all of our big slimes. So I'm just going to do the small ones. So we have these two. This one's...
Oh, gosh.
Oh.
Okay, there we go. Now it's focusing.
These two. This one's store-bought, so I'll just do this one
It's
first.
kind of like a little putty.
It's like half and half, so there's half
yellow
orange and half yellow.
Orange. And we have a little glass if you can see it. What splits it up? It's really putty. Putty-like. It's not really that stretchy.
It's just like fun to play with and stuff. Dominic loves these.
Yeah, I do. We kind of switch it up every day. Whatever one we play with, we just.
Okay, so next we have this pink one.
Pink one is kind of a little fail. It won't look that pink in the camera. It's pink in real life, really good.
It's like a really hot pink.
Really hot pink. And it actually had a fail in the first part. When I tried it out, it had a fail because it stuck to my hand, and our hands might be pink because the one that makes that fart little. Wait, did you make it all by yourself?
What?
That pink one?
No.
Oh, you got it.
Okay.
Kind of a little fail.
We have this one that's kind of clear, but it's like not super clear.
Yeah, it's not really clear.
It's kind of foggy, but...
Because we let it clear too long in the sun and the light. Take it out.
I'm going to.
I never got to play a clear one, so once this video is done, then... Oh my gosh. It's like you're playing with glue, kind of.
I guess.
Don't put it so close to your face, or I might show your face. 4 minutes already. Good 4 minutes.
Okay, so next...
Oh gosh.
You have to stop moving around so much.
Well, you're moving the
So we
slime.
have this purple clear slime.
It looks blue in the camera.
But it's like a purple... It's like this color.
Yeah, it looks that kind of color. It's blue on the camera. It might be that. It's really purple. It's a nice light purple. Now it's blue.
It's purple in real life. It just looks blue on camera.
I know. I don't know why. So this is a clear one. So
clear ones are my favorite kinds.
Me too. Even though I never. Well, I used to have a clear one. Now I sold it. Sorry guys, I couldn't show that clear one what I had.
Okay. So the next one is like a really clear almost. It's just bubbly because we didn't let it sit for long enough. But it's like pretty clear. But there's just some bubbles, so.
I know, some bubbles. Are you gonna take it out? She'll take it out too. Let me just get it. Ow.
I have like a white slime on my fingers. Hold on. After we don't want color slime to get in our white slime.
Super nice. Yeah, we don't want like color changing. Sorry because of light, because we have a light problem. Because it gets really light on camera. Ugh. Nice white. It's kind of like a whitish, clearish. Look at the table. Super sticky. Ugh. Those clear ones stick to my finger a lot.
Next we have this purple sparkly one.
It's not purple, it's pink.
Pink. They're both peas. They got me mixed up.
And it's super nice. That pink one is really nice. It's kind of my favorite one because it's super stretchy. It's super soft and it's super sparkly. My slime, what I made in the raspberry, because me and my sister helped, this is the one I made by myself. The raspberry one is not so purpley. We make lots of purple slimes and pink.
So next the last two are just white.
Yeah, and they're ghost slime. Because they're super white and they're like, oh gosh. Sorry if my finger keeps going in the camera because I try to move it because she moves it up and down, and now she's just looking in the camera.
Don't move it when I do this.
Super nice. And we're going to try to find our putty because I got some putty from my dad. So we'll try to find that and do a putty haul. She loves doing that finger thing. What? You love doing it. And this is a secret about me and Sophia. She is obsessed with slime.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Not that much.
Oh my gosh, did you see that big bubble? Oh.
I'm not anymore.
Well, you are kind of.
I used to be. You remember when I used to be so obsessed and I had like 50? But.
Put it down. You can only see the table.
It's hard because it. Great, there we go. Okay.
There we go. I'll leave it there. I'm the cameraman and she's just playing with slime. I'm kind of touching the slime, but not that much. I'm going to try to find a putty.
Ready?
Make the bubble. Whoa!
Okay, there.
Whoa! Do you see that? Ah. I can't feel it because I'm trying to look through the camera to feel.
Oh, darn it.
Loves playing with slime.
How do you?
Whoa.
It's easier to do with like a thicker slime.
Yeah, kind of like, not the pink one, kind of the blue one, kind of.
Maybe, I'll try. No, I don't.
Whoa, there we go. That works better. That works way better than the...
Well, plus it's bigger, so...
And that's a thicker slime. I gotta get it a little down. Whoa!
Did you see that?
Oh my god. It's falling, guys. Guys, it's falling. So my sister is going to say bye once she's done playing with the slime. So it might be a long...
Not a long. I just want to try to doing this properly one more time.
Okay. So, when those white... Oh! I just looked off the camera and whoa, that was a big bubble.
Okay.
So, when we did those... This is not the next slime. Once the white ones are done, then...
We're already done with all the slimes.
Yeah, we're already done with all the slimes. The white ones are the black ones. Okay. So, see you later, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Here's a messy hair day of Sophia.
Do you actually?